Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these famous bean tacos that are going to be a hit at your next barbecue. What's so special about these tacos is that my abuela used to make big trays of these for our family barbecues, and we would grill them and everybody would go crazy because they are just so delicious. They're easy to make, so let me show you how. Let's get started. I'm starting off with a pound of dried pinto beans. These have been rinsed and I'm adding them to a big pot, and I'm going to be boiling them with about 12 cups of water and 2 teaspoons of salt. Now this is going to boil on a medium heat for about an hour, and be sure to keep checking it to make sure that you don't need to add more water. Next, I'm going to boil 2 pounds of pork. Look for a cut with a nice amount of fat inside the marbling. This is going to boil with some water and 2 teaspoons of salt. It's going to be nice and tender. You're going to be able to break it apart with the fork after about an hour of boiling it. And for the last part of these tacos, we're going to make a simple salsa verde. It's simply just about 12 tomatillos, and make sure you remove their husks and wash them well, with about a half an onion, 3 cloves of garlic, and 2 serrano peppers. I'm adding a little water to cover them, and this is just going to boil until the tomatillos change in color. After about an hour and a half, my beans are ready. They're nice and soft when I press them with the fork. So I'm going to put those to the side, and as you can see, my tomatillos have changed in color. I took all the liquid out, so now what I'm going to do is blend this to make a salsa. This is what my pork looks like. It's been boiling for about an hour, and it's super soft and tender when you press it with a fork. So I'm going to take it out, and I'm going to transfer it to my saute pan, and I'm going to start shredding this meat and adding my salsa, and I'm going to fry this for a few minutes. I do want to mention I did add an onion to boil with the pork, and that was just to flavor the pork. We're not going to be using that. Don't forget that all my recipes are always written in the description box down below. Now, as you can see, I'm adding my boiled beans, and I'm going to start mashing them with a drizzle of oil. And what we want here is for a lot of the moisture to cook out so that the beans can really fry. You'll know that the beans are almost ready when you can start moving them around and they're not sticking to the pan. And you'll be able to flip them over, and you'll know at that point that they're done. I added a few dashes of black pepper, but be sure to taste them and make sure they're good on the salt. The beans have fried for about 10 minutes, and they are pretty much done. I'm going to warm up a few tortillas in a pan until they're nice and soft. And what I'm going to do next is simply put about 2 tablespoons of the bean mixture on the tortilla, fold them in half, and I'm going to be placing them in a baking pan lined with a kitchen towel. And this is the secret because the steam is going to keep your tortillas nice and soft. And that is pretty much it. Your tacos are ready to take to the barbecue. These will keep in the refrigerator for a few days, and you can warm them up however you like by frying them or simply just popping them in the microwave. Top these tacos with a nice spicy salsa, and I'm telling you, these are going to be a big hit at your next party. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I have a bunch of other great recipes to share, so please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.